So organism and population is the first chapter in your ecology portion. If you have gone through the syllabus, there in ecological section, but in the ecology section you have 4 chapters, and out of the 4 chapters, this is the first one, no? Baki yaar pisot ki ase ecosystem ase, conservation ase, biodiversity, environmental issues, right? So these are the 4 chapters, and today being the first chapter. Next, before starting the chapter, I think you all have got the PDF. Did everyone receive the PDF that was sent? Did you all write it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what we are going to do is we'll just follow the PDF. Since you have got all the notes in your hand, there's no point of keep writing again and again, right? So we'll go for the explanation part and we'll follow the PDF. So please take out your PDF, and together with that, take out the interactive book also, because there is one specific diagram in this. There are few diagrams on which the questions are asked, but one portion we are covering it today in the class. Thoba, our PDF form please Lailwa. Okay, talking about ecology, since it's the first chapter of ecology, so we have to know that what is the content of this lesson, and plus ecology, so what is ecology? So by the term ecology, I think we all have an idea of what is the meaning of ecology. No, ecology it is nothing but a branch of science, and this branch of science deals with what? Ecological study buli kole ba ecology buli kole, what is the idea that you have? Please, Anna.
Ecosystem study.
Yeah, it is the ecosystem, or it is the study of an organism, right? And organism buli koa loge lage, hey organism to logot associated hoi thaka abiotic factors, right? If you talk together about it, ecological study. So this is the branch of science that talks about the organism and the biotic and the abiotic factors of nature. Right? Ecology again, I think you all know by now, so whenever we talk about ecology, we have to know something called as factors of ecology. Our factors of ecology, there are two basic factors, that is the biotic factor and the abiotic factor, right? So eta organism to obviously a living organism, that is the biotic factor. Hey biotic factor to logot ki abiotic factors ase, teo jitu ki habitat soil condition kenekwa, atmosphere kenekwa, light kenekwa, temperature kenekwa. So biotic or abiotic are the two factors of ecology. So in this lesson, what we are going to discuss is, we are basically going to discuss the abiotic factors of the ecosystem. Biotic factors, that is it is incorporated in your next chapter. Ecosystem bole eta totally different chapter ase no, the next chapter after this. Right? So in the chapter ecosystem ami ki korim, biotic factors kini details of korim, aru etu chapter ami ki korim, abiotic factors is something that we are going to talk about it in details, right? Next. So organism boli koa loge loge, we know we'll come across certain terms that are related with ecology. Hebla PDF we'll go one by one. But basic idea, ecology koa loge loge, the ecosystem koa loge loge, we have term called as organism. Organism individual, right? Organism and group form population. After population, we have a community, right? So 8 lakh details are put. Right. So, what is the content of this chapter? It is talking about certain terms related to ecology, terms like organism, population, community, biosphere, biome. Next is eta organism resorting to habitat of ase, right? What does it do there? You have to talk about something called as ecological niche also, a concept of niche. So organism to he habitat to ki kori aso, what is the functional role, right? Hetu kotha patim, but he attaches a particular habitat of an organism ase, kiho karone, because he is suitable to the environmental conditions present at that place, right? Kintu not necessarily hodai to suitable condition e hoi na thake, kintu unfavorable condition o ahe. So during an unfavorable condition, eta organism ki koribo? Every organism wants to keep on surviving, right? No one lays down their hands and say, okay, chalo, aji pura eku nokoru. Everyone will struggle to live. So unfavorable condition of organism to ki koribo, survive koribole ki koribo. If you have gone through the chapter, maybe you have come across certain words called as regulate, confirm, migrate, etc. Because simple at example, যদি একটা organism at a particular habitat আছিলে, all of a sudden unfavorable condition হৈ গল, সেই organism টোৱে কি কৰিব? Either he'll fight with the environment or he'll go away from the habitat. And whenever I use the word migration, regulate, confirm, these are the new terms that we'll learn. But migration is a word that we always we use and we know the meaning, right? So migration বুলি ক'লে Siberian plains is something that we remember. Migration কিহৰ কাৰণে কৰে? Organism এটাই migrate কিহৰ কাৰণে কৰে? কাৰণ যোনটো habitat তাত আছিলে তাত কি হ'ল unfavorable condition arise and to save themselves from the unfavorable condition they will migrate. So what I want to say is যেহেতু ইকোলজি পঢ়িছো, ইকোলজিৰ লগে লগে obviously organismৰ কথা পঢ়িব লাগিব, together with organism তাহাতে সেই habitatটোত কেনেকে survive কৰে, মানে unfavorable circumstances কি কৰে, right? Plus এটা organism, if I talk about it as a hydrophyte or maybe if I talk about it as a mesophyte, hydrophyte বুলি কোৱাৰ লগে লগে we understand that that plant or that organism is found in the water bodies. এতিয়া এটা organism water bodies ত থাকিব লাগিলে কিছুমান ধৰণৰ proper specific adaptations লাগিব, right? So this is also a factor or this is also a part that we are going to study in this class, right? So adaptations, organism to first to আমি habitat to পঢ়িলো, habitat to favorable unfavorable condition or কি কৰে, how they survive, that's the second part. Third is the adaptation, water adaptation, hydrophytic adaptation ki, xerophytic adaptation ki, right? So a adaptation kini porilu. If all the circumstances are good, then what will happen? Ultimately, will after organism will get the next group that's called the population. As the name suggests, lesson to nami organism and population. So we have to talk about the organism, we have to talk about the population, right? Our population, once organism is suitable, they reproduce koribo, they increase in number, population form koribo, community form koribo, etc., etc. After pisot we have to talk about the population to growth keneke hoise, right? Eta population at a particular jagat ase, is it growing, is it a positive population or is it a declining population? Jadi population to grow korise, keneke grow korise, indefinite amount of grow korise, ne kiba ta limitation or condition or karone grow korise. So these are the things we'll study. And finally, the last part of the chapter is about the interactions, right? So organism, after population, population is a community. Imanbo organisms ekelege thakibo. Obviously, we have to talk about the interrelationships amongst them. So this is the content of the chapter, right? Our PDF form of these is we can really go fast, right? So we'll start with the first page of the PDF. Please take it out. ইয়াতে চোৱাচোন কিবা words তেনেকে বুজি পোৱা নাই নেকি চাবা হা. As far as the definition is concerned, ecology, what is ecology? You can either refer to the definition that is given here or the definition that is given in the NCERT book. Itu definition is by heart koribo lagibo, not necessarily. Kintu definition of ecology koribo lagibo. Next is who has given the term, who is called as the father of ecology, right? Modern father of ecology, who has used the term ecology for the first time, etc., etc. So, ekhini upor jehetu questions from MCQ point of view, it is very advisable to read the question properly, right? Father of ecology ahise, ne father of modern ecology ahise, right? Ecology father naam korise and the person who used the term ecology ahise. So, please read the sentences properly. Okay. So, what is ecology? The ecology refers to the study of the interrelationship of living organisms with their physical and their biological environment. Proper definition. Kintu we know the meaning. Organism thakibo, biotic factors thakibo, abiotic factors thakibo. Ultimately, they will form an ecosystem. And study of that is what is called as ecology. The term ecology was coined by Ernest Mayr, first used by Rater. Ekhine ekটু বুঝাবো লাগা একো নাই থাকে. Then we have certain terms called as habitat, ecosystem, ecotone, ecad, etc. As far as habitat is concerned, it's well understood. Habitat ki bostu ami janu. Ecosystem ki hoy? Obviously, we understand functional unit of nature. Coming to the word called as ecotone, right? Ek is a word important. Ecotone, ecad, or ecophene. Ecotone or juntu sentence dia ase, he bostu tu buji paisa ne nai. What is the ecotone? The transitional area দুটা ইকোসিস্টেম, suppose we take it as an example, দুটা ইকোসিস্টেম আছে, দুটা ইকোসিস্টেমৰ মাজৰ যোনখিনি জেগা, that area, that is what is called as the ecotone. See whether the concept is clear. I think diagram এটাও দিয়া আছে, grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, দুটা ecosystem আমি we are taking it into consideration, right? সেই দুটা ইকোসিস্টেমৰ মাজৰ যোনখিনি area, the transitional area, তাক আমি কি বুলি কৈছো, ecotone. Next, whenever we talk about ecotone, we have to remember that this is the area where species richness is observed. It is species richness মানে কি? Increase in the number of species. Maximum number of species আমি ক'ত দেখা পাম? যদি এই ডায়াগ্ৰাম যেটো PDF ত দিয়া আছে, grassland ecosystem আছে, forest ecosystem আছে আৰু transitional area. So transitional area টোত আমি species richness দেখা পাম। কিহৰ কাৰণে? Because that is the area which has the characteristics of both the ecosystem and favorable for both. Grassland আৰু কিছুমান characteristics আছে, forest আৰু কিছুমান characteristics আছে. So this leads to species richness. Is the term ecotone understood? Just go through. Then you have a term called as edge effect also. Edge effect ক'ত হয়? Ecotonot হয়. Changes in population or community structure that occurs at the boundary of two or more habitats. So question আহিব, what is the ecotone? Species richness ক'ত দেখা পাওঁ? Ecotonot. Edge effect, characteristic of our ecotone. If the concept of ecotone is clear, then we can move to the next point, that is ICAT. So point number 4, ICAT diya ase, and point number 5, ecofin diya ase. Actually, both of them have the same meaning. So instead of dividing it into 4 and 5, what you do is ICAT or ecofin buli likhi lua. Clear? Okay, coming to ICAT or ecofin, meaning to বুজি পাব লাগিব। ICAT কি হয়? An organism whose form has been affected by its environment. So definition মনত ৰাখো নে নাৰাখো, that is not very important. What is important is ICAT বুলি ক'লে এটা direct question আহে, তাত genetical modification হয় নে নহয়। So ICAT ৰ definition টো তলত চাচোন non heritable লিখা আছে, right? So an organism whose form has been affected by the environment, এটা organism এটা জেগাত আছে, সেই জেগাটোৰ পৰা বেলেগ এটা জেগাত বা বেলেগ এটা habitatত গ'ল, and because of that environmental condition, যদিহে organismটোৰ morphological changes আহে, that is what is called as a ICAT or ecofin, right? For example, ধৰা, if you talk about maybe you talk about a simple example. Suppose you talk about the British era কথা যদি কোৱা ন, if you talk about that time, no, Europeans বিলাক কি হৈছিলে, ইণ্ডিয়ালৈ আহিছিলে, right? As they started living in India, তাহাঁতৰ কি হ'ল যে মেলানিন কন্টেন্টটো বাঢ়িবলৈ আৰম্ভ কৰিলে, right? Melanin obviously তাত যিমান বগা আছিলে ইয়াতে ইমান বগা নহয়, because obviously tropical area, so অকমান হ'লেও তাৰ নিচিনাটো নহয়। So এই যে changesটো হ'ল, is it genetic or is it heritable? No, it's not heritable. It is because of the environment they are staying in. Once they go back to their habitat again, তাহাঁতৰ আকৌ এই morphological changes নাইকিয়া হৈ যায়। This is the concept of ICAT. What is important is the word non-heritable. Yeah, please ask.
Bacteria is the unsuitable conditions of cyst to the form core layer to tle hetu yar bhutot poribo niki ICAT?
No, হেতুটো তোমাৰ adaptations ৰ ওপৰত পৰিব বা হেতু তোমাৰ survival statistics ৰ ওপৰত পৰিব, right? হেতু নহয়, unfavorable conditionত bacteria এটা নিজৰ habitat থাকে, সেই habitatত তাহাঁতৰ unfavorable condition হয়। It is not like that the bacteria moves from one place to another place, তাত হ'ব। Suppose মই এইখিনি জেগাত আছো, ইয়াতে যদি unfavorable condition হৈছে, তেতিয়া তুমি কিবা এটা কৰিছা, that is adaptation. ঠিক আছে কিন্তু তুমি এটা বেলেগ জেগাত গৈছা বিকজ অফ দ্য এনভাইৰনমেন্টেল কণ্ডিশ্যন we see certain changes in you তেতিয়াহে আমি তাক বিকাশ বুলি কওঁ clear bacteria shift to because of environmental conditions বুলি তেনেকা because of stressful conditions form কৰে right কিন্তু এইটো কি হয় এটা কিন্তু example melanin content টো বিৰাট বকা মানুহ এজন ইণ্ডিয়াত থাকিব ধৰিলে কেৰালাত থাকিব ধৰিলে অলপ ক'লা হৈ গ'ল কিয় কাৰণে ক'লা হৈ গ'ল because of that environment direct impact সেইটোক আমি ইকাত কম যোনটো নেকি non heritable হয় clear
Ma'am, please say species richness to কৈছিল আকবাৰ কৈ দিব নেকি
species richness মানে the number of species is more এটা comparison যদি কৰো আমি grassland ecosystem এটা আছে তাৰ সাইডতে forest ecosystem এটা আছে কাৰণ ecosystem বিলাক কি হয় এটাৰ লগত এটা connected হয় হয় না suppose if মানে চোৱা connected আমি ক'ব নোৱাৰো we can take our aquarium as an example of a ecosystem also right আমি যদি দুটা connected ecosystem or example লওঁ for example a forest and a grassland forest খনৰ ওচৰতে grassland খনো আছে so in that case যোনখিনি মাজৰ area সেই মাজৰ area খিনিত কি হ'ব there are some characteristics of the forest and some characteristics of the grassland থাকিব so it is the most favorable area to survive and to live আৰু সেই কাৰণে organisms of number সদায় আমি তাত varieties দেখা পাওঁ number বেছি দেখা পাওঁ right so বহুত organisms সেই suitable area টোত survive কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰে and they start living in that area যিহেতু species or number species or variety বেছি দেখা পাওঁ the term is called as species richness that is seen in the transitional zone clear so ICAT important from examination point of view next is you have to talk about branches of ecology next page of the PDF horticology synecology virat questions ahe what is the horticology what is synecology ekko details ahe junto sentence ami likhise the question is always on that sentence itself গোটেই sentence টো মনত ৰাখিব নালাগে from entrance point of view what you remember is the two words that has been underlined one is individual and the other is interrelationship ecology of individual species অকল এটা ইন্ডিভিজুৱেলৰ ওপৰত তুমি যদি ইকোলজিক্যাল ষ্টাডি কৰা তেতিয়াহলে সেই ষ্টাডিটোক আমি কি বুলি কম সিনিকোলজি কিন্তু এটা গ্ৰুপৰ ওপৰত যদি আমি ষ্টাডি কৰিছো প্লাস সেই গ্ৰুপটোৰ মেম্বাৰ্স বিলাকৰ এটাৰ লগত এটাৰ কি ৰিলেশন আছে that is what is called as synecology right so question to keneke ahe directly question to পৰা আহিব sentence to পৰা ecology of individual species is or ecology is the study of individuals ne interrelationships among organisms ne etc এটা পাম কি individual study ne group study accordingly horticology or synecology synecology is the study of so and a question they ask just to make the concept clear synecology is the study of option A environment option B plant community option C individual and D is none yate answer to ki hobo please go through the question and try to answer did you understand the question or not
Plant community.
someone is saying answer please tell me
Plant community.
synecology is the study of plant community but what I said that you have to remember just two words one is individual and the other is interrelationship but if you have gone to the options carefully those two words are missing synecology what question I said but interrelationship word to none so why is it like this that the answer is plant community kiho karone
Ma'am, means that sentence asile relationship between the community.
communities Yeah, that is one point of understanding, because you have the word community there, you have the
Yes,
word
ma'am.
community here. Other way of understanding is, since we are talking about interrelationships, then obviously there should be more than two members. হয় ন, দুটা বা দুটাতকে বেছি থাকিব লাগিব নালাগে, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
community কি হয়? A group of population forms a community. So you have many members. When you have many members, they will have a relation with themselves, right? So these two are important. Next, the other terms. Rest of the terms, questions generally are not being asked. This is for your knowledge, or maybe all of a sudden GK type questions ahi jabo pare. Gene ecology, paleoecology, applied ecology, system ecology, etc., etc. Right? But technical question has been asked about sin and horticology. The terms clear, no? I don't think there is anything to understand here. Phytogeography, this and that. So this was the introduction. Next, we have the layers of organization. Three types of hierarchy is observed in nature, right? So nature is all biological factors, right? So we have what? We have certain types of physical hierarchy, biological hierarchy, and obviously ecological hierarchy. And talking about physical hierarchy study we have to talk from the smallest to the largest in terms of physical, biological, and ecological. Whenever we talk about biology, obviously the first word that we remember in terms of biology is the cell. So smallest unit of biological organization for biological hierarchy ki hobo? Cell. Highest ki hobo? Obviously the organism. Buji paisa no concept to? Next is physical hierarchy. Obviously smallest is protons, neutrons, electrons. They will make up the atoms. Atoms will make the molecules, and ultimately they will form the organelles. The organelles will be present in the cell. Our cell form kora loge no longer physical. It's obviously biological, right? Then cell, starting point of biological hierarchy, cell, tissues, tissue system, organ system, and ultimately we see the organism. Organism, we have that individual, the factors associated with that. So we start ecological hierarchy. So the smallest unit of ecological hierarchy is organism, and what is the largest? It is biosphere. So organism individual thakibo, a group of individuals, population form koribo, group of populations, community form koribo, community ultimately many communities came together in a particular habitat, obviously the ecosystem, right? Ultimately many ecosystem or a very large ecosystem where you see small ecosystems also, that is what is called as the biome, right? Aru sobotse dangor, or the largest in the hierarchical stage, is biosphere. Biosphere ki bostu? The part where you can find living organisms, that is what is called as the biosphere. Tough nohoy. Next, we come to page number 3. It's organism. Organism, obviously, the basic and the smallest unit of ecological hierarchy. Iman population we understand. Remember the term sister population. Sister population concept to janibo leibo. Aru at an example dia easy to understand. So people living in the hills and people living in the plains, obviously the same species, and tahandok ami ki boli ko sister population boli ko. Next is community. A number of different interrelated interrelated population of different species. Both bilak population form for a community, right? So it has animal community, plant community, microbial community, etc. At a word dia ase bioconosis. I think it is not well printed. Please write that word. PDF of likhi liwa. Biotic community is termed as bioconosis. Next, we have another term that is called as biotope. What is the biotope? The geographical area where you find that organism is called as the biotope. Next, ecosystem or information basic a chapter to diana, because we have to read it as a separate. chapter, right? So ecosystem just 3 points or 2 points likha ase. Details in the next chapter. Next we have something called as biome. A biome side of you can notice that likha ase no NCERT diagram. So please refer to the diagram that is given in your NCERT. If you have the book close by, you can take out the diagram. So some biome section to swap. আৰু যাৰ যাৰ NCERT book ওচৰতে আছে সেই বায়োমৰ যোনটো ডায়াগ্ৰাম দিয়া আছে দেখা পাইছা নে নাই? Have you opened the NCERT book? A diagram showing the different biomes of the world, tropical, then temperate, deciduous, what is the page number exactly? I forgot.
Page number 220.
220. Okay. So tar against what? Important বুলি লিখিবা এটো ওপৰ বহুত question diagram to দিয়ে and you are asked to identify the different biomes. And how will you identify? You have to see the diagram properly according to the curve that is given. Right? So hetu bostu important likhi thoi diba. PDF of 9, but see it from the NCERT book. So what is a biome? A large natural ecosystem, right? Which is distinct in its climatic conditions and has its specific groups of plants and animals is called as a biome. For example, desert comb. Desert is also an ecosystem, but it's an example of a very large ecosystem. So we will use the word desert or as a biome. Right? A very large ecosystem is called as a biome. Next, biome paragraph 2. Duta point dia ase, duta point important. The next 2 points. Regional and local variations within each biome leads to formation of habitats. Tatkeও important whole nature of a biome is determined by. Right? So ekhini point poriba. Nature of a biome is determined by. Eta biome ki hoy? Large ecosystem. Hey ecosystem to ki thakibo? Specific organisms he thakibo. If you talk about a desert, you will have the desert organisms, desert plants, desert animals, right? So here specific organisms will have thakibole hole specific environmental conditions to lagibo. So nature of a biome is determined by its rainfall, temperature range, etc. Itu saba. Next, you have to know about the major biomes in India. Tar two questions aise. First is the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest or question ki aise the common trees that you can find. Okay, sir. So where will you find the tropical rainforest? Ekhini okon geography related, right? Tar pora ahe question. So tropical rainforest boli kole. So jetiai ami tropical rainforest ko just before reading all the points that are given in the PDF. Tropical rainforest we have an idea about the number of species. Basic species farm, ne common species farm. Tropical rainforest what? Both species farm, ne common species farm. It can be plants, it can be animals.
Basically, ma'am.
Basic farm. Exactly. Tropical rainforest what ki hoy? Eta diverse species group thake. Either plants or animals. Now, if you are talking about plants, no, what could be the reason? There are so many factors that favor, no. Out of the factors, one major factor is soil, right? Soil to the nutrients halke na thake. Obviously, different types of plants will not grow. Hetu upor question ahe. The tropical rainforest bilakor, they are poor in nutrients, they're rich in nutrients. They are ki hobo? Poor in nutrients and word eta to already ase that is called as rainforest. Tropical forest obviously bahut species thakibo. Tropical kintu ami specifically ki koisu tropical rainforest. Aru jetia rain boli ko obviously ta ki hobo? Apart from the other biomes, sobotse maximum rainfall to tate poribo. Aru once it starts raining, no, basically jodi rainfall hoy, soil ot thaka nutrients bilak washed away hoi jay. As a result ki hoy? soil khini less of nutrients hoy kintu less of nutrients kintu because of certain other environmental conditions you see different or diverse groups of organisms in a tropical rainforest তাত বহুত বেছি organisms থাকে আৰু কোনবিলাক থাকিব যোনবিলাক নেকি সেইটো এনভাইৰনমেন্টত এডাপ্ট কৰিব পাৰে বা কোপ আপ কৰিব পাৰে right so ইয়াৰে important points মই কি কলো যে where can you find the tropical rainforest in terms of India next common trees সেইটো চাব লাগিব ইয়াতে point গুটেইকিটা important actually soil is highly leached and nutrient storage is less. Highly leached. Leached has come from what called as leaching. Soil profile soil formation. Leaching mane ki? The washing away of the topsoil because of the rain, that is called as leaching. Upor jekini nutrients thake ekini ki hoy rain e wash kori loi jay but it percolates because of gravity, that is what is called as leaching. Ami olop pisot details ot pohim. So, common trees underlying Korea. Next is tropical deciduous forest, and as a word deciduous, I think we understand. Deciduous we understand that black trees they will keep what? Shedding their leaves during a particular season. Autumn season ki hoy shed leaves black shed kore ako spring or ki hoy notun ke leaves black grow kore. Again common trees. A point upar kitaba question ahe. Ekini part most of our bahira upay nai. All you have to do is by heart. There's nothing to understand. Concept based no hoy. The more you read, the more you'll remember. Next is the desert. Desert or important trees, cactus, acacia. Ebilak to ami morphology to pori aiso. Next is most common grass. Iman besi important no hoy. Kintu tothapi ebar question ahisile. And desert biome is characterized by high rate of evaporation. Obviously, jetia heavy to besi hobo, temperature besi hobo, evaporation besi hobo, and we have something called as albedo. Albedo all of pisat pori ase. What is albedo? The refractive capacity or the amount that is called as albedo. Next, we have coastal biome. Not very important. Detritus based biome. Key point to monitor rakhibo libo. Detritus based biome. Detritus mane ki? What is detritus? Dead remains. A concept to ketia clear hobo. Ami jete ecosystem of food chain porim. Three types of food chain ami porim. Detritus food chain, right? Normally ami jete food chain o kotha ko no, we think as it starts from the green plants, right? Hey, junbilak food chain green plants or start koribo. Green plants bilak producers hobo. Hey bilak food chain is the most common food chain, and that has a particular name that is called as a grazing food chain. ঠিক আছে কিন্তু যোনবিলাক ডেড ৰিমেইনছ অফ দা ফুড চেইন আৰম্ভ হ'ব অৰ্গেনিজমবিলাক মৰি গ'ল সেই মৰা বস্তুবিলাকতো কোনোবাই খাব তো তেনেকুৱা এটা যদি ফুড চেইন আৰম্ভ হয় that is called detritus. Details in the next chapter এতিয়া নালাগে next grassland questions কেনেকে আহিছে names বুলি এটা paragraph আছে ন প্ৰথম তলৰ পিনে all of a sudden question আহিব পাৰে যে pampas located in or is found in or South Africa all of a sudden South Africa jinto grassland ase tak ki buli koy whales so ekhini birat important ekhini poribo leibo the different names pampas chips whales etc. That is from the temperate grassland. Tropical grassland both ase tenike question aha nai kintu you have to remember the word savanna. And finally, aquatic biome, nothing very important. If you see in the PDF, aquatic biome or usorot, ecological niche boli okuman likha ase. Are the letters clear? PDF khonot clear hoise ne? If it's clear, then it's okay, but you have to know the concept of ecological niche. What is ecological niche? Details of Juar Agote, there is a point called as, according to Odum, habitat is organism's address and niche to keep a profession of a species. Tar mane, eta organism at a particular habitat of ase, hey habitat of thakute, hey organism ki korise, what is its function, what is it doing there? For example, where he is going, with whom he is interacting, what he is eating, etc., etc. This everything can be summed up in a word called as functions of that organism. আৰু এই functional role টুকে আমি কি বুলি কওঁ ecological niche. Organism টোৱে কি কৰিছে, organism টোৱে কি খাইছে, কাক খাইছে, if that food is not available, then which food he is taking. So if this is the study, this is what called ecological niche. Ecological niche, yate junta point dia ase hikini pohiba. For example, the concept was given by J. Greenhill. It represents the functional role on the status of an organism. Right? So functional role of an organism is nothing but ecological niche. According to Odum, that is the second point. Third point is we have something called as competitive exclusion. So competitive exclusion is key. Two species with very similar niche cannot survive together because they will compete so intensely that one species eliminates the other. First, niche ki functional role. Functional role of one role could be what is the organism eating. Just think of an area where there are two organisms, organism A and organism B, and both of them are sharing a common species of food. A ki khaise, eta species that is X, right? A niche ki, what he is eating? That X. You have another organism that is B. He is also having the food, and which food? X. So duitar jodi common niche hoy, they are sharing a common niche. What is the niche? The common food. Jodi common bostu tahate share kore, tetihole ki hobo? That will lead to competition. Aru jodi competition hoy, obviously survival of the fittest. So they will survive and the other will get extinct. So ultimately what we can say and what we believe is organisms with similar niche cannot survive in the same habitat. Competitive exclusions lagibo. Next, coming to climatic zones. You have a chart. Climatic zones are upor to question ahise. Latitude, column 2 important. Right? Tropical forest, tropical zone or latitude. Kuntu latitude or tropics pore ba tropical climate pore, subtropical kunkini hoy. So latitude is something that you remember. This chart is important. Plus, vegetation so upor question ahise. Tropics of kenuka dhoroner vegetation paba, temperate of kenuka paba, arctic of kenuka paba. So chart kon ami bangak koribo লাগিব. As far as that winter column is concerned, tapore eku questions aha nai. So latitude very important, vegetation important, and annual temperature you have to see. By heart, nothing else. Again, the next part, if we are talking about environment, it consists of three main divisions, that is hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere. If you are in your lower classes, you have already read. This is just a revision type, right? Next part of the PDF tells us about the layers of the atmosphere. Right, earth ase, earth or kiki layer ase. That is what is said to be the layers of the atmosphere. You have to remember it in a sequence. Ulta pulta ke kole no hobo. Right, earth or just upor layer to in just immediate layer to kami ki buli ko. Tar upor to ki buli ko. I think you have heard certain words called as troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, etc., etc. First point to read from this section is layers or sequence. Second is the important point of each layer. For example, if you start with troposphere section of first point, the immediate layer above the earth. Second point, Gretchen gases, nitrogen and oxygen. A two points important. Similarly, if you go for stratosphere, one and only word that is important is ozone. Ozone ami code from stratosphere. Next, Next we have thermosphere. Thermosphere কি important? Mesosphere ইমানটা important নহয়. Thermosphere is important. The word called as ionosphere is also called as ionosphere. Ionosphere কয় যিহেতু you have to remember that this is the layer where you will find the UV radiations, the cosmic rays, etc. So প্রত্যেকটো layer important word গিটা জানিলে হল. You don't have to by heart the whole paragraph. And ultimately the last layer is exosphere, atmosphere or last layer. তার কোনটো point important? The last point. Earth's magnetic field becomes more important than gravity. Means what? যদি যিকোনো এটা বস্তু যদি একেবাৰে exosphere লৈ গৈছে তেতিয়া সেই বস্তুটো gravity আৰু টানিব নোৱাৰে. Ultimately কোনে টানিব? Magnetic forces, বাকি planets বিলাকে. So that is that area from where satellites বিলাকে space of যায়. এটা টাইমলৈকে gravity টানি থাকে. কিন্তু এটা লেয়াৰৰ পিছত gravity plays no role. Which layer we are talking about? We are talking about the exosphere. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So এইখিনি আসলে introduction part. ঠিক আছে? So as I said in this chapter what you will study is first the introduction, then you have to talk about mainly the abiotic factors. Ecology বুলি কোৱা লগে লগে biotic abiotic নি আমি ইয়াত কৰিম, biotic খিনি আমি next chapter কৰিম. So before going to the abiotic factors in details, এইখিনি portion লৈকে কিবা word বুজি পোৱা নাই নেকি? Please go through your PDF and tell me. First page of our PDF from SWA up till page number 151. Take a look at SWA and see if any word that you did not understand. And together with this, what I want to say is, after completion of this class, obviously video lectures paba. In a video lecture, again, it will be pre-recorded videos. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And please go through the video lectures also. ঠিক আছে? So যোনকেইটা video lecture দিম, সেইকেইটা video lecture অকমান time মিলাই please go through. Obviously the contents would be the same, the explanation would be the same. Go through the video lectures because there might be one or two points. Actually points হওয়ার ইমান difference নাথাকে, কিন্তু কেতিয়াবা কিছুমান video lecture কি থাকে, কিছুমান questions আমি deal কৰো। ঠিক আছে? এই questions খিনি important. মই specifically তোমালোকক কৈ দিম কোনটো video lecture questions আছে। ঠিক আছে? As of now, please go through the PDF.
Hello, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, a function and role and status of a species, a nature, a part kini bujai diok na ko ebar.
এটা টার্ম আছে যাক কি আমি কি কয় ইকোলজিক্যাল নিচি, রাইট? ইকোলজিক্যাল নিচি ডেফিনেশন ওয়াইজ তো এটা মুখস্থ কৰা পাৰ্টটো বাৰু বেলেগ কথা, কিন্তু আমি কি বুজিম নিচি বুলি ক'লে কি এটা অৰ্গানিজমৰ ফাংচন খিনিক আমি নিচি বুলি কৈছো। এটা অৰ্গানিজম আছে, সাপোজ এটা এৰিয়াত এটা ডগ আছে, ঠিক আছে? ডগটো তোমাৰ অৰ্গানিজম। সেই হ্যাবিটেটত যে ডগটো আছে, সেই ডগটোৱে সেইখিনি জেগাত কি কৰিছে, সি কলে গৈছে, সি কাৰ লগত ৰিলেশ্যন ৰাখিছে, ঠিক আছে? সি কি বস্তু খাইছে, ফুড কি তাৰ, সেই স্পিচিছটো খাইছে। সাপোজ হি ইজ ইটিং এক্সটো নাইকিয়া হোৱাৰ লগে লগে সি কি খাব, ৰাইট? চ' এই যে সি ফাংচনছ বিলাক কৰি আছে, সেই ফাংচন খিনিক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ নিচি। চ' হোৱাট ইজ নিচি? দ্য ফাংচনেল ৰোল অফ এন অৰ্গানিজম মিনছ হোৱাট? অৰ্গানিজমটোৱে কি কাম কৰিছে তাকে আমি কি বুলি কওঁ নিচি বুলি কওঁ। যেহেতু ইকোলজিক্যাল স্টাডি কৰিছো, চ' ফাংচন খিনিক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ ইকোলজিক্যাল নিচি বুলি কওঁ। দ্যাটস দ্য ফাৰ্স্ট পইণ্ট। সেকেন্ড পইণ্ট ফ্ৰম that is important is আমি কি কৈছো কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সক্লুশন বুলি এটা টাৰ্ম পঢ়িছো। এটা হ্যাবিটেটত অকল যে এটা অৰ্গানিজম থাকিব এনেকুৱা নহয়, ৰাইট? বহুত অৰ্গানিজমছ কেন ষ্টে ইন দ্য সেম এৰিয়া এট দ্য সেম টাইম। আৰু প্ৰত্যেকটো অৰ্গানিজমৰ নিজৰ নিজৰ ফাংচনছ বিলাক নিজে নিজে কৰি আছে। অৰ্গানিজম এ তাৰ নিজৰ ফাংচন আছে, অৰ্গানিজম বি তাৰ নিজৰ ফাংচনছ আছে। অৰ্গানিজম এ কি খাইছে, that is also a function. অৰ্গানিজম বি এ কি খাইছে, that is also a function. কিন্তু what we said is এটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ এৰিয়াত দুটা অৰ্গানিজমে যদি একেটা নিচি শ্বেয়াৰ কৰে তেতিয়াহ'লে That is not possible. Why is it not possible? Because this will lead to competition. And simply, organism A, organism B, at a particular জেগাত আছে, organism A X food খাইছে, যোনটো নেকি habitat আছে, ঠিক আছে, এৰিয়াটোত X plant আছে, organism A সেইটো খাইছে, organism B ও সেই X plant ডালে খাব, দুইটাৰ মাজত competition হ'ব নহয়, বুজি পাইছানে? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. বুজি পাইছো, ma'am.
Okay. So সেইটোৱে কৈছে নিচি কি হয়, the functional role of an organism. Next, আৰু চোৱা, চাবাচোন পেজ নম্বৰ 149 ৰ নিচৰ ওপৰত দিয়া আছে, factors
Yes,
or
ma'am.
the role played by an species. Key role, what it eats, তাক কোনে খায়, that is also a part of the niche. Right? কলৈকে গৈছে, range of movement, মুঠতে functions খিনিক আমি কি বুলি কৈছো, niche বুলি কৈছো. The functional role of an organism is called as niche. Side-ত এটা sentence লিখা আছে, চোৱাচোন, page number 149, অকমান দেখাকে, in the margin, নিচি বুলি কি লিখা আছে চোৱা, total interaction of the species with the environment, that is called as niche. যোনকেইটা points important বুলি কৈছো, এইকেইটা PDF mark কৰি যাবা.
Ma'am, code লেখা আছে লিচিটো.
Page number 149, margins খিনিত লিখা আছে চোৱা, দেখিছানে, দেখাকে লিখা আছে.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So এইখিনি portion I think যে আমি ক্লাছত তেনেকে প্ৰত্যেকটো word লিখি I don't think we should waste our time. যেহেতু concept পুৰা বস্তুটো নাই, ইমান বেছি বুজি পাবলেও নাই. So it's good that you all write down the PDF first and just the explanation part. একদম very few explanation part থাকে, সেইখিনি আমি explain কৰিম. আৰু the positive thing is that as we are discussing or as we are going through the class, যোনকেইটা points important, কেনেকে questions আহে, সেইখিনি বস্তু তোমালোকে mark কৰি যাবা. So 151 লৈকে যদি doubts নাই, we can go to the major abiotic factors. Doubts আছে নেকি? Just tell me. মানে any word that you did not understand. Detrital based biome, সেই বস্তুটো সেই লাইনটো মনত ৰাখিবা, coastal biome ৰ. Detritus based biome, তাৰমানে food chain টো dead organisms ৰ পৰা maximum আৰম্ভ হয়. Layers of atmosphere, nitrogen, oxygen, most abundant. Troposphere. Is it over?
Yes.
Okay. And remember the climatic zones or keep the latitudes, temperature, vegetation. Can we go to the next part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next part of the topic, major abiotic factors. So কিছুমান factors আমি details কৰিব লাগিব যিহেতু organismৰ লগত related যেনেকে air, temperature, the soil, etc. Right? So air of কিছুমান information দি আছে, not very tough, একদম GK type. So types of wind, right? So wind, breeze, a storm, hurricane, these terms are dependent on what? On what basis are exact terms due? Depends on the velocity, right? কেতিয়াবা সুধিব পাৰে এবাৰ আহিছিল what is the gale? GALE. এবাৰ এটা question আহিছিলে কিন্তু এনেকে বেছি questions আহা দেখা নাই the different types of wind according to the velocity. Next is effects of air on an organism. কি বুজাম আৰু একোৱেই নাই planter ওপৰত effect কি animals ওপৰত effect কি etc. Details একো নাহে in soil what is the effect of air causes soil erosion etc. Right? Air currents also affects the weather conditions of an area including the rainfall. কিছুমান air বুলি ক'লে abiotic factors বিলাকৰ what is the abiotic factor তাৰ অকমান information জানিব লাগিব আৰু specific role or effect on the plant or the organism or on the habitat. Talking about air, কিছুমান direct effect, কিছুমান indirect effect. Direct effect on plants, animals, soil, etc. The indirect effect কেইটামান দিয়া আছে, for example, desiccation, dwarfing, salt spray, etc. Desiccation is something that we understand. আমি সদায় কৈ থাকো. Dwarfing also we understand that because of air যদি বেছি লাগাতকে বেছি air হয় বা wind বেছিকে আছে তেতিয়াহ'লে এডাল plant যিমান grow কৰিব পাৰে সিমান grow নকৰিবও পাৰে. Right? Next is coming to the word salt spray. Salt spray is generally associated with those plants that grows near the seashore. Right? So seashore ওচৰত যোনবিলাক plants আছে সেইবিলাক plants কি হয় according to wind obviously sea water salt থাকে no so according with the wind সেই water টো আহি পেলাই যেতিয়া leaves ত পৰিব leaves বিলাকত কি হ'ব সেই salt টো deposit হৈ যাব and ultimately it will disrupt growth. That is what is called as a salt spray. Air সেইখিনিয়ে next water যোনটো আছে second part ত যোনটো water আছে ন water কেইটামান point তোমালোকৰ PDF ত দিয়া নাই so side ত লিখি লোৱা or take a extra page and write it down আৰু যদি কাৰোবাৰ জেগা আছে তাতে লিখি লোৱা য'ত লিখিছা just কেইটামান point So when we are talking about water as a factor, eight points in it, GK oriented, right? So we are talking about sea water, fresh water, sea water, soil concentration, basic right? And whenever we are talking about salt, right? তেতিয়া আমি দুটা term use কৰো এটা হল urehaline আৰু এটা হল stenohaline. Now haline is a word that is related
ma'am.
with salt, right?
মেম মোৰ মানে চাৰ্জটো হে কৈ গৈছিল কাৰণে মোৰ মেম ইতেহে মেম আকৌ ইতে কৰিছো ৰিজয়েন কৰিছো মেম ওয়াটাৰ এইখিনি লিখিছে মেম
water এইখিনি লিখিছো বাস এইখিনিতো জিকে ইমান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট পইণ্ট নহয় যে all of a sudden some new information that you are learning তেনেকুৱাও নহয়, right? খালি ইয়াতে দুটা word urehaline আৰু stenohaline. We are talking about salt concentration, no? Salt area বা haline is a word that is related with salt condition. So দুটা word uri আৰু steno. Urehaline কি হয় চোৱাচোন কিছুমান organisms urehaline হয় আৰু কিছুমান organisms stenohaline হয়. So organisms that can tolerate wide range of salinity, that is called as urehaline. আৰু যোনে narrow range of salinity adopt কৰে বা survive কৰিব পাৰে, that is called as stenohaline. এটা question to generally question to কি আহে যে what is the meaning of uri and steno? কাৰণ অকল uri লগত বা steno লগত যে haline word use কৰিব তেনেকুৱা নহয়. Later in the chapter we come across certain words called as urethermal, stenothermal. Examples of urethermal organisms, examples of stenothermal organisms. এতিয়া আমি কি পালো urehaline, stenohaline. So haline and thermal হেতু পিছত কিন্তু word কি important, what is the meaning of uri and what is the meaning of steno? যদি এটা organismৰ wide range of tolerance আছে তেতিয়াহ'লে তাক আমি uri বুলি কওঁ আৰু যদি এটা organismৰ narrow range of tolerance আছে then that would be called as a steno. Tolerance against what? Tolerance against salt concentration. তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি urehaline আৰু stenohaline word use কৰিম. Tolerance against temperature যদি হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি urethermal আৰু stenothermal word use কৰিম. right? Depending on which condition you are talking about. ইয়াতে URI মানে wide range, steno মানে narrow range. এই দুটা word হে সবচেয়ে important. Examples not at all important. Question নাহে. এইখিনি আসলে generally তোমালোকৰ PDF ত নাই, and rest of the things given in your PDF. You have also a term that is called as locked water, right? Fresh water, salt water, বা sea water, and locked water. Locked water কি হয়? Right? The part of the water that you cannot generally use, it's called as locked water in the form of glaciers, snow, etc., etc. বা underground water যোনখিনি আমি use কৰিব নোৱাৰো, হা?
ফ্ৰেছ ৱাটাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট পইণ্টটো কি লিখিছে ৱাটাৰ ইন
Water in the land, LAND.
ওকে মেম
Next is together with water, we have to talk about water cycles also, right? Water ki hoy, cyclic. We always see the cyclic movement of water. Obviously, from the sky, rain, ahibo, earth poribo, rivers form koribo, water bodies form koribo, water bodies upor evaporate hoy pelai ki koribo, again go back to the atmosphere, right? So ultimately it forms a cycle. So whenever we are talking about cycles, two water cycles we generally talk about. One is called as a global water cycle, and the other is called as a biological water cycle. Which are much of difference of all SI. Jadi eta water cycle aku right? Ultimately, atmosphere ka ahi pele go back to the atmosphere. This is called as water cycle. Khali duta term disu biological aru global. Global water cycle etu jot niki biological organisms ami yate dekha nai. Ba water to kune use korise once the fish is down. এই বস্তুটো আমি ডায়াগ্ৰামটো ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰা নাই, কিন্তু ইয়াৰ পৰা গ্ৰাউণ্ডৰ পৰা যদি গৈ পেলাই ইয়াতে লিভিং অৰ্গেনিজমছ বুলি লিখি দিওঁ, তেতিয়াহ'লে এই চাইকেল will denote what? Biological water cycle. So the water cycle involving organisms use the water cycle without the role of organisms. Organisms have পানী use কৰক বা নকৰক, cycle এটাতো চলি থাকিবই। যদি organisms or use খিনিও আমি দেখাই দিওঁ, সেই cycleটোক আমি কি বুলি কম? Biological বুলি কম, because living organisms are related with the cycle. আৰু যদি আমি living component to we keep it away from the cycle, that is called as global water cycle. That's all. Right? So ekhini hol water. Next is light. Tumalokor PDF I think this is the last page that you all have got it, right? So light buli kole, light as a abiotic factor. Maximum information about light we have covered in the chapter called as photosynthesis. Right? Visible light key, white light key, the different wavelengths, right? Photosynthetic active radiations buli kole, the amount of light that the plants take. PAR, what is the range of PAR? These are things that we have already explained, right? Aru eta part tumalokor aha nai, jono niki aji tumalke pai jaba, lighter aru dutaman points janibo lagibo. We have something called as a solar constant, right? So solar constant eta value ase, likhibo nalage PDF ot pai jaba, right? Solar constant boli eta value ase. What does solar constant mean? Solar radiation before entering the atmosphere carries energy at a constant rate. Sunor pora jetia solar radiations bilak earthot pore, earthot porar agote, earthor atmosphere reach korar agote, tahator ei solar radiations bilakor eta fixed amount of energy thake. Hey energy tok ami ki boli kau solar constant. Ako ebar repeat korisu, you have the sun, you have the earth. sunor solar radiations earthot poribo keneke poribo they have to pierce through the atmosphere and then reach the earth before reaching the atmosphere sun ase atmosphere ase majot ki thakibo gap thakibo no সেই গ্যাপটো energy এটা constant value থাকে আর তাক আমি কি বলি কম solar constant and the value is 2 calories per meter square per minute লিখিব নালাগে pdf খনত পাই যাবা খালি constant to জানিলে হ'ল so solar constant মানে কি fixed energy থাকিব কাৰ থাকিব solar radiation to থাকিব কেতিয়া থাকিব before reaching the atmosphere of the earth right so তাৰ value to উপৰ কেতিয়াবা question together with light another thing is we have something called albedo value ঠিক আছে আকৌ এখিনিও pdf ত আছে albedo value মানে কি the reflection capacity যে light eta bostu eta jegat light porile and what is the amount that it got reflected this is what is called as albedo value generally questions ki ahe je comparison koribol ge if suppose we take 3 examples fresh snow sand aru forest তিনটা एग्जांपल লইছো স্নো স্যান্ড আৰু ফরেস্ট এই তিনটা বস্তুতে লাইট পৰিব সবতছে বেছি শাইন কোনটো কৰিব ফরেস্ট স্যান্ড নে স্নো লাইট পৰা পিছত সবতছে শাইন কাৰ বেছি হ'ব
sand
স্যান্ডৰ বেছি শাইন কৰিব নে স্নো বেছি শাইন কৰিব
স্নো কৰিব
it is always the snow বেছি শাইন কৰিব right কাৰণ snow কি হয় হে রিফ্লেকশন তো বেছি হৈ যায় এই রিফ্লেকশনৰ capacity to reflectionৰ value to is denoted by something called as albedo value or AV right so the question ahe যে AV কাৰ বেছি fresh snow বেছি বা snow বেছি নে sandৰ বেছি নে forestৰ বেছি obviously snow is highest after snow you'll have sand and after sand you'll have the forest so albedo value basic details or ekun nalage we are talking about the reflection or capacity right kuntu substance or reflection basic ke hobo or refraction index basic ke hobo and in the light section aru eta bostu poribo lagibo so what is the effect of light on the plants and in the animals right plants are keneke effect kore animals are keneke effect kore light that's all in plants of light and plants ki komar transpiration photosynthesis just like normal bostu right in case of animals we can talk about pigmentation basically rodot bole ki hobo right so we have pigmentation certain organisms locomotion right light thakile hetu side jabo light na thakile nahin na korpai ulabo we have certain type of nocturnal animals also so that is light dependent right so effect of light in plants and effect of light in animals and together with light aru eta bostu poribo lage light donation buli eta bostu poribo lage for example we are taking our water body hey water body to maybe a pond or maybe a river at a pond would be the best example but lake would be the best example gute lake to ki sun rays porise but we know the equal distribution of light one eye it is always on the surface of that water body that gets the maximum light and ultimately the amount of light keeps on decreasing আর তলৰ যোনটো লেয়াৰ হয় তাত একেবাৰে লাইট নাথাকে সো এই পোৰশনটো আমি নেক্সট ক্লাছত পঢ়িম হেডিংটো কি হ'ব লাইট ডোনেশন সো তোমালোকে পিডিএফ টো আগতে পাই যাবা ডায়াগ্ৰামটো আঁকি পেলাই ৰেডি হৈ থাকিবা ফৰ দ্য নেক্সট ক্লাছ এক্সপ্লেনেশন ওকে সো আজি ক্লাছটো এখিনলৈকে হ'ব নেক্সট ইজ আজি তোমালোকে দুটা লেকচাৰ পাবা লেকচাৰ নম্বৰ 1 এণ্ড লেকচাৰ নম্বৰ 2 ঠিক আছে অৰ্গানিজম এণ্ড পপুলেশ্যন লেকচাৰ ভিডিঅ লেকচাৰ 1 ভিডিঅ লেকচাৰ 2 video lecture 2 last or pine kisuman questions dia ase please note down the questions in your copy is the point clear to everyone na paisa no malke
Yes, ma'am.
lecture number 2 pisot jungita questions ami discuss korisu tate সেই questions tini likhi thole you will have an idea as to what is the type of question that is asked from this lesson right so jedi buji nopwa next class of diba okay
yes ma'am
okay so I think that's all for today next class of next part of the PDF before doing that class you'll get it kabar kiba doubts
মেম এইটো মলি যে লিখা আছে এইটো কি
It's a fish. Name of a fish.
yes মেম
Important নহয়. It's not important. Okay.
আৰু
Okay.
মেম
Thank you.
ইউৰি হেলাইন আৰু ষ্টেনো হেলাইনৰ যে লিখিলে আপুনি সেইটো কি অকল একুৱাটিক এনিমেলছৰ ৰেসপেক্টত কৰিব লাগিব নেকি
নালাগে অকল ওয়ার্ড দুটা পঢ়িব লাগিব ইউৰি মানে কি ইউৰি ওয়ার্ডটো আমি কোনবিলাক অর্গানিজমছৰ আগত লগাও যোনবিলাকৰ ওয়াইড ৰেঞ্জ অফ টলাৰেন্স থাকে বহুত বস্তু টলাৰেট কৰিব পাৰে বহুত এনভায়ৰনমেন্টাল এডভাৰ্স এনভায়ৰনমেন্টাল কন্ডিশন টলাৰেট কৰিব পাৰে তাৰমানে ইউৰি হেলাইন যোনটো অৰ্গানিজমে বহুত সল্ট কনসেন্ট্ৰেশনত থাকিব পাৰে salt concentration আছে বহুত salty area আছে মানে কি তাৰ capacity আছে no so he can tolerate wide range of salinity right কিন্তু কিছুমান ধৰা fresh water যদি fish আছে সেই fish টো যদি তুমি salt water survive কৰিব জানো নকৰে কাৰণ তাৰ এটা narrow range of salinity capacity tolerate কৰিবলৈ তাহাতৰ capacity আছে right so ইমান details ত নালাগে heline word to use কৰিছো because we are talking in terms of salt thermal word to use when we'll talk in terms of temperature basic temperature june tolerate koribo pare tak ami uri thermal kom basic temperature ba low high basi high temperature tolerate koribo noare a narrow range of tolerance okoman besi hoy gole mori jabo right eta hale tahatok ami ki bolbo stenothermal so khali uri mane wide range steno mane narrow range of tolerance clear
lecture 2 to sabole kole no apni lecture 2 to sabole kole no
lecture to tamane aji ji তোমাক explain কৰিছো এখিনি যদি properly লিখি মেলি মই class কৰো তেলে দুটা class লাগে so since the video is pre-recorded so you will get two lectures today that will include this portion only যিহলকে discuss কৰিছো তাতে আমাৰ দুটা lecture আছে so lecture 2 মাজৰ পৰা অকমান চাবা এনেও তো গুটে গিটা lectures চাব লাগিব you have to just go through right আৰু মাজৰ পৰা চাবা যে কেটামান questions discuss কৰা আছে lecture 2 পিছ right lecture 2 টো ভালকে চাই আৰু questions গিটা লিখি লবা question answers গিটা okay then thank you
thank you
ma'am
welcome